This presentation is going to be a transformation potential of nanofertilizer in modern agriculture. Its types, mechanism, and the environmental impact of this innovative solution, highlighting their roles in enhancing nutrient uptake, reducing fertilizer uses, and promoting the sustainable practice. Fertilizer are more efficient and economically friendly for agricultural landscape. By the end, evolve as how the nanofertilizer offer a path for global food sustainability. Nanofertilizer, a sustainable solution. Definition: nanofertilizer are nutrient formulation encapsulated in nanoparticle. In the nanoparticle, nutrient formulation encapsulated. It enhances nutrient uptake and reduce environmental impact compared to conventional fertilizer. It means it's reduce the it's offer the enhanced nutrients other than the conventional fertilizer. Nanofertilizer advantages: enhance nutrient absorption, control release of nutrition, reduce nutrition leaching into soil and water. This is the advantages of nanofertilizer. And its types: nanonutrient, nanocomposites. Nanocomposites are polymer based, and its mechanism: enhance absorption through plant tissue, control released reduce waste, reducing leaching, prevent runoff. Nanofertilizer promise a sustainable path for agriculture.
Good morning, ma'am. My topic for today's seminar is nanopesticides and nanoherbicides. So, what is nanopesticides? So, nanopesticides are basically pesticides, but the only difference in this will be nanotechnology is used in nanopesticides, which eventually helps in improving how it works. And the particles, this means the pesticides contains very tiny particles or of about 1 to 100 nanometers to deliver active chemicals that kills or control the pests. So there are three types of classification of it. One is non encapsulated pesticides and nano emulsification and metal based nanoparticles. So these are the three types of nano pesticides. Now next is nano herbicides. Nano herbicides are all like basically it target weeds, so it kills weeds, and its function is same as to normal herbicides. Only the difference is nanotechnology is used in nano herbicides. And so a nano herbicide is a weed killer that uses nanomaterial to better target and control unwanted plants. Like nanopesticides, nano herbicides is also having three parts, that is encapsulation in nanoparticles as well as formulation with nano carriers and metals or carbon based nanoparticles. So these are this is what is nanopesticides and nanoherbicides. There are advantages as well as disadvantages for both the cases, both nano pesticides as herbicides. So, for the advantage of nanopesticides and herbicide is target delivery, of course, because the size of nanoparticle is very small. It can reach pest and herbs more precisely to reduce off-target effects. Next is it harm very like it less harms to the organism or beneficial organism. Here beneficial organisms are organism like bees and all, which are very beneficial for the environment. So this nano pesticides and herbicides, because of this better targeting, reduce impact uh, on the organism which is beneficial for the environment. Okay, now next is improve absorption. Because of its small size, it is easily absorbed by plants and pests, leads to better efficiency. Next is control release. Some are designed to release the chemical slowly over time for longer protection. And the next point is it reduces environmental pollution. And last point is better solubility. as because of its small size, the solubility of nanoparticles or pesticides and herbicides is very much easily soluble. Now, the last is the disadvantages of nanopesticides and herbicides. So the first thing is unknown long-term effects. This long-term impact on soil or water and human health is still under study, and there is a it means there is a long-term effect on human body, because of the use of nanopesticides and herbicide, which is still unknown. And second is possible toxicity. There can be possible toxicity because of nanopesticides and herbicides. Some nanomaterial like metals can be toxic to for animals, humans, and as well as plants. And the third is difficult to regulate. Current law may not fully covers how to test nano agrochemicals. And the last is highly productive cost. The production of nano pesticides as well as herbicide will cost little high, and that's one of the negative point. And last point is complex formation. For the formation of nano pesticides as well as herbicide, it's a technically challenging task. So this is all about my topic, nano pesticides and nano herbicides. Thank you, ma'am.
Nanotechnology in soil and water treatment. It is the manipulation of matter on an atomic and molecular scale has emerged as a promising solution for addressing environmental challenges, particularly in soil and water treatment. This technology involves the use of nanoparticles, which are particles with dimensions in the nanometer range, typically from 1 to 100 nanometer. Due to their unique properties, nanoparticles can be engineered to target specific contaminants, enhance treatment efficiency, and reduce costs. Applications in soil treatment: heavy metal remediation, pesticide degradation, soil fertility enhancement. In heavy metal remediation, nanoparticles such as iron oxide, titanium dioxide, and zinc oxide can be used to absorb and immobilize heavy metals in soil, reducing their bioavailability and toxicity. Pesticide degradations: nanoparticles can be designed to catalyze the degradation of pesticides, reducing their persistence in soil and minimizing environmental harm. Soil fertility enhancement: nanoparticles can be used to deliver nutrients and micronutrients to plants, improving soil fertility and crop yields. Applications in water treatment: water purification, heavy metal removal, organic pollutant degradation. In water purification, nanoparticles such as silver, copper, and titanium dioxide can be used to disinfect water, removing bacteria, viruses, and other microorganisms. In heavy metal removal, nanoparticles can be designed to absorb and remove heavy metal from water, reducing their toxicity